Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a book subscription and it is Reposed. This is how it arrives in the post. So as always, if you're new to this subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some background information about it. But if you've heard it all before and you just goes and seeing what's inside their February box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Reposed is a modern literary fiction book subscription and it ships internationally. For a monthly subscription, it will cost £12.95 within the UK, and that includes shipping. To Europe, it's £17.20, and North America, it's £20.20. The boxes include everything you'll need for a night of relaxation. So think relaxing teas, gourmet treats, and prize list books or just released novels. Each box has a value between £25 and £35. Plus you're able to purchase a one-off box, which is what I've done, for £14.20. That's in the UK. But for Europe and Northern America, then shipping costs will be a little bit more. So they offer a one-off box, they offer a monthly rolling subscription, plus a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription, and a seasonal subscription, which will cost £53.20. They offer a digital book club, and for subscriptions, if you subscribe in February, your first box will be April. If you want to purchase a one-off box, then you will be able to do so until the end of the month. I'm sure that's correct. But you'll find all links and details related to this subscription down below in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I received this month. It says here, take time for yourself, make time to read. It's all packaged up beautifully in wrapping. In every box you have a leaflet. It details everything about the book and also the added gifts as well. So in this month's box we have got a book called The Eighth Girl. This is by Maxine Mei Feng Chung. One Woman, Many Selves. Which one is telling the truth? It's a nice thick book there. So I'll give you some information about it. The second I finish, I went back to the beginning and read it again. I defy anyone else to do otherwise, says The Observer's Alison Flood. The perfect combination of literary novel and gripping thriller. It's no surprise at all that Maxine Fei Feng Chung's exceptional debut has already been optioned for Netflix. Wow, okay. Completely engrossing and 100% unputdownable. As always, we can't wait to hear what you all think. Join us online in our dedicated members-only Facebook group where you can share your thoughts. So on the back here, it says, Alexa Wu is a brilliant, darkly self-aware young woman whose life is manipulated by a series of alternate personalities. But which one is telling the truth? Only 3 people know: her therapist, her best friend, her stepmother. When her best friend falls into danger, Alexa is drawn into London's criminal underbelly to save her. But will this lead to self-discovery or to self-destruction? That sounds brilliant. That sounds really, really great. Oh my gosh, I got 2 books this month. I've got another book subscription. Can't wait to read it. So going on to our added extras, we've got Clipper Natural, Fair and Delicious Hot Chocolate. A cuddle in a cup. I've only ever had Clipper tea. I haven't had a hot chocolate before. Working in partnership with Fairtrade, Clipper source all of their ingredients ethically and transparently. So this is the most delectable hot chocolate with a conscious too. Simply add hot milk or water, then find your most comfortable armchair and enjoy. Is that? And this isn't featured in the box, but we have got the option here to send one personal postcard to someone, and it says you'll be able to send a postcard with an image and message to whoever you like anywhere in the world. Maybe someone less able to use digital tools to connect, or perhaps just someone you love and miss, and then there's a code for you to use. That sounds brilliant. That sounds really lovely. Next we've got a scented balm. This is by Scented. So it's a little mini version here. Travel friendly aromatherapy balm to help you stay scented wherever, whenever. It contains rose, patchouli and cedarwood. The key benefits promote feelings of harmony, peace and love, comforting and calming. When you feel overwhelmed and in need of a hug or simply out of sorts, love helps to restore a sense of inner peace and balance. An elegant and grounding fragrance to relax and unwind at any time. This. I remember receiving one of these before and I gave it to my daughter. That might help her with school and the stress of exams and things like that. That is quite a strong smell. It says here, apply lightly to wrists, temples, and anywhere else you like, allowing the scent to take effect. Love is crafted with a blend of essential oils, each chosen to help you feel emotionally supported and connected with yourself and others around you. So yeah, we've got a love balm. And then lastly, we've got a sweet treat. This is by Willie's Cacao, Sea Flakes Milk Chocolate with Sea Salt. That sounds lovely. That sounds really, really nice. The bean has a slightly nutty note with a hint of coffee and an incredible deep, rich flavour. Add in a little sea salt and you've got a pretty near perfect chocolate bar. So those are all the products inside this month's Repost book subscription box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a book by Maxine Mei Feng Sheng, The Eighth Girl. A sachet of hot chocolate. It mentions on here about a free postcard to send to someone, a milk chocolate bar with sea salt, and lastly a love balm by Scented. I bought a one-off box which cost me £14.20 including shipping. If I was to subscribe month by month it would cost me £12.95. I am really, really excited about this book. It's really up my street. I absolutely love thrillers, so I can't wait to get into that and get into the story. And yeah, it'd be great actually to read it first before it comes on Netflix, if ever it does. Yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of the subscription. What do you think of book subscriptions in general? This is the second one now that I'll be doing this month. I'd love to hear what you think of them. Me personally, I like to dip in and out. I do love books, but it takes me ages to actually get in and read them. So a monthly subscription I think would be too much for me. I'd be overwhelmed thinking, oh my god, I've got to finish a book, and then I might not even get into it. And yeah, as I said in my other book subscription, I've got ADHD, dyslexia and dyscalculia, so it doesn't stop me from reading. I absolutely love books. I used to be a massive, massive bookworm growing up. It's just, I need to be in the right headspace to be able to start it then, if you know what I mean, because there's always something else to do, which I need to control. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care, bye.